darkness I lingered mid doubt and despair, sin's bondage long held me a captive to care. But Jesus delivered my soul from its chains. His precious blood cleansed me from sin's guilty stains. The world and its pleasures did tempt me to stray. I saw not the danger that lurked on the way. The toils closed around me, I knew no release. But Jesus has found me and given me his peace. Get right with God, his pardon is free. Get right with God, he's waiting for thee. Our Jesus is calling, oh come unto me. Take him, O sinner, and get right with God.
All right, so let's give you a quick update of my garden. Let's take a look together here. We also got the beans growing. See the flower? We have the beets looking good here, and some baby ones growing. Beets going. Okay, that's it. Hello. So as a bonus, I want to share with us an amazing way to memorize all 66 books of the Bible. So I was listening. It was a dear friend, family, that had sent me audio music from this ministry called Gospel of Health by J.R. Copper. And you're encouraged to subscribe to their channel if you haven't. And I just want to teach this one to you all. I just thought it would merit teaching it. So a great way to learn this with your family, your children, and so forth. All right, let's begin. Genesis, Exodus, Leviticus, Numbers, Deuteronomy, Joshua, Judges, Ruth, 1st and 2nd Samuel, 1st Kings, 2nd Kings, 1st and 2nd Chronicles, Ezra, Nehemiah, Esther, Job, Psalms, Proverbs, Ecclesiastes, Song of Solomon, Isaiah, Jeremiah, Lamentations, Ezekiel, Daniel, Hosea, Joel, Amos, Obadiah, Jonah, Micah, Nahum, Habakkuk, Zephaniah, Haggai, Zechariah, and the last one, Malachi. Let's do this one more time. Genesis, Exodus, Leviticus, Numbers, Deuteronomy, Joshua, Judges, Ruth, 1st and 2nd Samuel, 1st Kings, 2nd Kings, 1st and 2nd Chronicles, Ezra, Nehemiah, Esther, Job, Psalms, Proverbs, Ecclesiastes, Song of Solomon, Isaiah, Jeremiah, Lamentations, Ezekiel, Daniel, Hosea, Joel, Amos, Obadiah, Jonah, Micah, Nahum, Habakkuk, Zephaniah, Haggai, Zechariah, and the last one, Malachi. All right, so now we're going to do the New Testament, but this one's a little bit faster. Are you ready? Make sure you have your Bibles and then follow through. Matthew, Mark, Luke, and John, the Acts, Romans, 1st and 2nd Corinthians, Galatians, Ephesians, Philippians, Colossians, 1st and 2nd Thessalonians, 1st Timothy, 2nd Timothy, Titus, Philemon, Hebrews, and James, First Peter, Second Peter, 3 John, Jude, and Revelation. Again, Matthew, Mark, Luke, and John, the Acts, Romans, 1st and 2nd Corinthians, Galatians, Ephesians, Philippians, Colossians, 1st and 2nd Thessalonians, 1st Timothy, 2nd Timothy, Titus, Philemon, Hebrews, and James, 1st Peter, 2nd Peter, 3 John, Jude, and Revelation. All right, that's it. So I hope you were blessed. Feel free to subscribe, like, and share this channel if you were blessed. Please be sure to practice this whole 66 books of the Bible in song at home. We do this every day with my son, and he enjoys it. So until next time, God bless. Bye for now.
Get right with God, His pardon is free. Get right with God, He's waiting for thee. Our Jesus is calling, oh come unto me. Take Him, O sin.